Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make edible cookie dough. In a medium-sized bowl, add a half cup of all-purpose flour. Now add 1/4 of a cup of brown sugar. After you've done that, add 1/4 of a cup of softened butter and make sure that the butter is on the melted side so it's easier to mix the cookie dough. Add a pinch or two of salt. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk to your cookie dough. I added 2. Mix everything until it's really smooth and well combined. This is what the cookie dough should look like in the end. Cover the dough in plastic wrap and place it in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. After the 30 minutes are done, take off the plastic wrap and let the dough sit for a minute or two. Now add a half cup of whatever toppings you want. I put chocolate chips in mine, but you can add Oreos, M&Ms, or anything you want. Now mix everything together and now you can eat it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like and comment and subscribe. See you in my next video.